Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure Splunk Enterprise 9.4 on Linux Mint. But the process is same on all Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, open any web browser, then go to splunk.com, then click on products, then see here we have the free trials and downloads. If you are unable to find this tab, you can find it in the bottom. See here we have the free trials and downloads, both are same. So click on free trials and downloads. See here we have the Splunk Enterprise, Splunk Cloud Platform and Universal Forward. Okay, so we are going to install Splunk Enterprise. So click on get my free trial. Then we have to fill all these details. Once we fill all these details, then you have to click on this checkbox for the agreement. Then you have to click on this create your account. Then we will receive email like this. You will receive email. Then we have to click on verify your email or this link. Okay, then you will receive the download page, or you can click on login and you have to provide the email that you have given while registering. See here we have the Splunk Enterprise edition 9.4.0 and it is for Windows, Linux or Mac OS. So click on Linux, then see here we have three types of downloads: zip file, RPM and Debian. So for Linux Mint we have to download this .debian package. So click on download and its size is, wait a moment, it is going to download. See, its size is 877 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will install it. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the Splunk. Before installing Splunk, sudo install the curl. Sudo apt install curl. So ls. Now install this one, sudo dpkg -i, then use Splunk and give the tab to autofill the .debian package and hit enter. We have successfully installed Splunk. Okay, now go to resources, then click on documentation, then click on Splunk Enterprise, then click on installation manual, then click on this install Splunk Enterprise on Linux or Mac OS, then click on install on Linux. Now verify the status of Splunk installed or not by running this command. Copy it, go to here, paste it, hit enter. See, we have installed Splunk and its version is 9.4.0. Now we have to start this Splunk Enterprise. Okay, so click on this start Splunk Enterprise for first time. Click on it. Now go to Splunk install directory, that is cd /opt ls. See here we have the Splunk directory. Ctrl L to clear the screen. cd Splunk cd bin ls. See here we have the Splunk related files. So start the Splunk service by running the command sudo /splunk start. Hit enter. See, we have to accept the license agreement. Give the space until you get this 100%. Now type Y and hit enter. Now we have to enter administrator user. So I'm giving admin. You can give like Splunk admin. Anything is fine. So I'm giving only admin. Then we have to provide the password for this administrator username. Confirm the same. Now see, this is the web interface for this Splunk. So web interface link. So copy this one, new tab, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to give the username that we have given, that is administrator username. Then provide the password, then click on sign in. See, this is the web interface console. Okay. See here, if you want to see the dashboards, you have to click on here. Search and reporting, audit trails, Splunk security gateway, and upgrade readiness app. Okay. Suppose if you want to see the settings, see here we have different options. Suppose if you want to see the users, click on users. Here you can create user or you can change the password of the existing users. See, this is the admin user that we have created and it is administrator. To create new user, click on new user. Then you have to provide all the details and click on create. Okay. If you want to go back, click on Splunk Enterprise. If you want to change the password of this administrator, just click on administrator account settings. Then you have to provide the full name, email and current password. Set the new password. Okay. So I am not going to do, just I am showing you how to do that. Go to here. See, this is the one way. See here we have connected with the host name. See, this is host name. Verify the host name. See, this is the host name. We can also connect with localhost. So simply go to here localhost because it is installed on this PC. Then give 0008000. Hit enter. See, we got same login console for the Splunk. Otherwise, you can use the loopback IP 127.0.0.1:8000. Hit enter. See, we got the same one. Otherwise, by using IP of this machine, if config. See, this is the IP. So copy it. Then give the IP. Then give the port number 8000. Hit enter. See, we have successfully got the login console. Now we will see how to start and restart Splunk D or Splunk service on Linux Mint. So sudo dot, you must be in this bin directory. Sudo Splunk. Now verify the status, Splunk status. Hit enter. See, Splunk D service is running, but we cannot get the same by using sudo systemctl status Splunk. We don't have any service like this. Even we can't find with D, Splunk D. See, we don't have service. The only way is we have to use this one. Okay, Control L. Now stop this Splunk service. Sudo dot /Splunk. Then stop. Hit enter. See, stopping Splunk D. See, it is stopped. Let us verify the status. See, Splunk D is not running. Now start the service again. Sudo give Splunk, then start. See, in the background disconnected from the Splunk. Let me refresh. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so start it again. Just give start. If you want to restart, just replace the start with restart. Okay, so start and hit enter. Now it is started. Again reload. See, it is opening. We have connected. Now go to home directory, cd downloads ls. We have successfully installed Splunk 9.40 Enterprise Edition. So remove this file. It is not required anymore. Splunk, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. So In this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure Splunk 9.4 Enterprise Edition on Linux Mint operating systems. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.